Here with Top Automotive, show you how to change a key battery on the Ferrari. It's actually a very simple process. So we got a key that doesn't work. If you got a key where you push a button, nothing happens. This one's been stored up. I actually have it already open, but I'm gonna just clip it back to give you an idea how easy it is. You got this little groove right here. You can use your nail or you can use a pick. You just stick your hand in there and you just pull on it, just like this, and eventually it's gonna come loose. Just like that. Once you remove this portion, you're going to need to slide this just like that. So you're going to slide it out, and then it's going to be retained in a special little housing. So let's get this thing out of here. And there's two of these 1220 batteries, CR 1220 batteries. And then once you get the new ones, just stick them in just the same way. Slide this in. Pop this lid back on, and then you'll go to your car and make sure everything's working. Stick it into ignition, turn it. If it's not working, if you try to push the buttons and nothing's happening, stick it in your ignition, turn it to second position, 1, 2. Hold it there for about 1 minute, turn it off, get back out of the car, hit lock and unlock, and you should be initialized. And that's how you do it. So it's a very simple key change. This was what I installed. It's very simple. You can get it at any drugstore sells them. You'll need 2 of these batteries. So if you just have one of these, it's not going to be enough. So again, thank you for watching. This is Nick with Top Automotive.